Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take a test on the mathcm site. And so, you will have to head over to mathcm. And then, once on the mathcm site, you're going to head over to my account. You're going to hover over my account. That is to put your cursor just on my account, and then you're going to log in or register. All right, so you click on login or register, and then the easiest way to do this is to click on this G and select your Gmail account. All right, once you get to this page, you're logged in, and so you need to head to your appropriate test, and your appropriate test will be in the download page. So if you're in, for example, Algebra 2, you'll go to the Algebra 2 download page, and you will head to your test. All right, so I want to do one of these tests. I'm going to do this one right here. So it says click here to take Algebra 2 test 1 on equations and inequality. All right, notice I provided a field for me to fill. Once you get this field, you're definitely in the right place. And so you'll put your teacher's name, you put your institution, and you'll put your name, and you'll select your email. And then you will click next. And your test has begun. Here you will see the amount of time you have left. Click agree to this terms and service. Make sure you read it, and you click next. And then you just traverse through the test and click next. If you want to go back, you can click back. Right? Next. You can answer your question. Just pick your answer and just traverse through the test. Notice if you try to go ahead without answering the question, you will have please complete all required fields. Right, so once you pick your answer, and you'll be able to continue. If you're doing a question and you see hint, you can click on hint to see what hint is there, or you can hover and you see what hint is there. Right? Once you're complete with the test, you simply click submit, and your results will go in. You will be taken to a screen telling you your score. Remember, I just simply clicked anything since my score is so low. Now you know how to take a mathcm test. So thanks for watching. All the best on your mathcm test. Take care.